Hey guys, welcome back to the High Homes channel. Today we have a property tour for you. We are in Estepona, beachfront. It's a perfect day and we're gonna go meet Mathieu. Mathieu has listed this incredible beachfront beauty. Are you guys ready to have a look at it? Let's go. Perfect timing. It is 1 minute to 11. We are gonna meet Mathieu and he's gonna show us through this beautiful property. For those people that don't know this complex, this is called Los Granados. It's truly one of those unique beachfront complexes in Estepona. Follow me?
Hey, Kian.
Hey,
how are
Mathieu.
you?
How you doing, man? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know, it's beautiful. Eh?
Look at this.
And this is in the new Golden Mile, the best part of Estepona in my opinion. Beautiful beachfront, south facing.
It's actually spectacular, even the shimmer of the sun.
I know.
I know Los Granados very well, so talk us about the property. Obviously, beautifully designed. Tell us about bedroom, size, and then we'll go and see this beautiful terrace.
Okay, so it's 122 meters built. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, very big outside terrace because it's a ground floor unit. It has actually the biggest terraces of all the apartments. Perfect south facing, 2 pools, 2 paddle courts, a gym, 24 security, everything.
Amazing. Let's have a look at this terrace. Wow.
So
this is massive. I
yes,
mean, look at it.
This terrace is actually 55 square meters.
55.
Yes. So perfect for outside dinners, chilling with friends. You also have direct access to the garden.
So the nice thing about this as well is, like, you know, people say ground floors are generally not private, but in this case you're a bit more elevated.
Exactly.
You know, you've got your privacy here, which is great. That there is the promenade. So basically, like, you literally roll out and you've got the promenade right now and you can walk all the way to Estepona, walk the other way. Like, it's proper beachfront living, no?
Do you want to have a look outside?
Yeah, let's have a peek. Can you give the viewers at home a quick, like, speed ramp of how easy it is to get to the promenade? Or we'll speed ramp it?
Yeah, we can do it. Feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
So, Mark, how long did that take you?
A minute.
A minute. So 1 minute. Proven by Mark. 1 minute to the promenade. It's great.
Exactly.
So while we're here with the beautiful facade behind us, Mathieu, we're in Los Granados Playa, right?
Yes.
Talk to us about location. Where are we right now?
So we're in the new Golden Mile. We're literally in between Marbella and Estepona, like right in the middle. I would say it's like 12 minutes to Nueva Andalucia, 10 minutes to Estepona center, so very good. Supermarkets very close by, several restaurants very close by. Sonora Beach, literally around the corner.
You also got Tikitano.
Exactly.
Icos. You've got
the hotel. You have now the Met Hotel, Costa del Sol. There's so many good places.
Amazing.
Gyms as well, paddle courts. They're now opening a new gym in Selwo with, I think, 11 paddle courts, a very big gym.
Yeah.
It's going to open, I think, this month. It's like 2 minutes away. Yeah,
Awesome.
so close by.
So let's have a look at the rest.
Yeah.
You got me dancing in my bed.
I love the terrace size. Like, the terrace size is perfect to entertain. It's perfect for full-time living, part-time living. And this is, I mean, this has been a renovated unit, so it's not in original state.
So the building was originally from 2001, and then they did like a full renovation, so everything is new.
Let's have a look at this kitchen.
So actually the owners of the apartment now, they really like cooking. So they put in a nice kitchen with a lot of equipment.
You can see all those spices. They really like to cook.
Yes.
Great. My kind of people. done a great job, huh? Look at all these appliances.
I know.
We've got a back terrace here as well. Great.
Yes.
That's just one of these incredible steamers. You know what this reminds me of?
I think that's the only thing that's not included.
Really?
I think that's the only thing they really wanted to take home because it was a limited edition.
It's such a cool looking thing.
I
Like,
know.
You know what it reminds me of? Like, you know the nuclear submarines, you put a torpedo in and you close the torpedo and you go boom! Okay, so this is the...
There's from the back.
Yeah, awesome.
This one is like 6 square meters.
Yeah. Something people need to know about this urbanization is you can literally sleep with the windows open. You have 24-hour security.
Yes. Also the nice thing is when you have guests over, they can just park here. There's always some parking spaces free. And then in the basement, you have your own parking space and your own storage rooms.
With this apartment, there's an electric charger, right?
Yes, for bikes and for cars.
We've seen the living, we've seen the terrace, kitchen. Let's have a look at this bedroom.
So now this is the 3rd bedroom, but it's more like a dressing.
Yeah, so normally all these closets would be gone away.
Exactly, yeah. I mean, you could easily fit a bed in this one.
Yeah. So built-in closets.
Air zone unit, built-in closet.
Nicely decorated.
Stairs in the back, very nice.
So these 2 bedrooms would share this bathroom, right?
Exactly, yes. This one actually has a bath, so it's quite handy if you have kids or...
And then
of course the master.
This is what it's all about.
Yes.
Big closet, ensuite bathroom. Wow, this bathroom is beautiful.
It's completely renovated, it looks very nice. And of course the nice thing is, from your master you have this beautiful sea view.
You literally need your glasses because it's so bright. What I like about this apartment is that originally these apartments, they have the bed like this, right?
Yes, exactly.
The current owners, what they've done is, you know, they've actually made the wall a bit bigger here and they've placed the bed looking outwards. I think that's awesome. So when you wake up in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, it's at your feet, no? It's
exactly.
Amazing. Nice outdoor barbecue area. Oh, I love these commandos. They're great barbecues.
Then if you want to go for a walk, you want to go for a swim, you can just open the little gate and you're out.
So, Matteo, we've seen the community, the location. We've explained to the audience a bit about the apartment. It speaks for itself. The most important question, Matteo, what's the price of this beachfront beauty?
The price for this beachfront is 1.495 million euros.
Yeah. 1.495 for this property, ready to move in this location, in the Golden Mile. Amazing. And it makes it extra special because it's a high home listing. So
I know.
For you guys, if this is the first time you come across one of our high homes videos, we do some really cool content about Costa del Sol, property news, development news, news regarding everything, area guides, what you need to stay posted. So if you are new, press the button, like this video, comment any questions you might have. We'd be happy to answer them. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel so we can keep you guys posted with the best of the best. Guys, see you soon.
Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars.